Today we will discuss my current Ayurvedic hair regimen and how you can build your own to help fight hair loss and encourage hair growth. So let's get into today's video. Hello my happy nappy crew, it's NowIamNappy here. So let's jump into today's video. And one of the key things I want to stress is actually having a calendar, whether it be something on your phone or something you can download online, a wall calendar, whatever you need. Just make sure you have it and it's easily accessible to you. This will help you to remember what you're doing in the coming weeks, so you don't really have to guess on how to create and build your regimen. I'll be showing you the one I'll be demonstrating today and going over the next 2 months, so September and October, so you can mimic and create your own routine. Because I want to show you how I incorporate henna and protein into my schedule as well as my trim. Alright, so let's get started. So September has 4 Sundays, and Sundays are generally my wash days. And so every other week, which would be September 3rd and September 17th, I'll be either doing some type of mask or gloss treatment. And then on the 10th and the 24th, I'll be doing what I call a regular wash day. But let's dive into it and I'll show you how I incorporate strengthening, hair coloring, conditioning treatments that help fight hair loss and encourage hair growth. So on September 3rd, I'll plan to really focus on hair growth and fighting any scalp issues. So I'll be doing a pre-poo with my Amla Fenugreek Neem gloss bar. Alternatively, you can use any of the other gloss bars that you would like, or you can create a Fenugreek mask DIY that I have here, or a Moringa DIY. So I'll be using that as a pre-poo treatment. Usually I try to leave it on for a minimum of 1 hour. If you have more time, that's great. If you can use it with some type of steam or body heat, that's also great to get all the benefits. Next, I'll follow up with my Oat and Aloe shampoo bar and then my Oat and Aloe deep conditioner. And again, I'll be using that for at least 45 minutes with heat or steam. And then after I rinse that out, I'll be using my Oat and Aloe leave-in conditioner and my Hibiscus and Chebe styler. Now for me, because my hair is already very moisturized, I only usually refresh my hair once midweek, usually on a Wednesday or Thursday, and I actually will just use my Oat and Aloe leave-in conditioner, spray that on my hair to refresh it, whether it's in twist or some type of protective style. I will either just scrunch it in after spraying so that my hair gets fully absorbed. Now if you're new to creating a regimen or don't have a regimen, I want to stress the importance of making sure that you get enough moisture throughout the week, and that means that you probably need to re-moisturize your hair more than just once. So I would say at least 2 times during the week if you don't have a regimen, until your hair stays moisturized or reaches that peak level of hydration. So the week of September 10th will be a normal or regular wash day for me. That means I'll pre-poo my hair with an oil. Generally it'll be my DHT blocking oil, which has been my preference lately, followed up with my stimulating Ayurvedic oil. And if you don't have one of those, you can create this DIY oil that I made in this video here. And I try to pre-poo and finger detangle my hair, try to remove any shed hair before I go into that shampooing and cleansing process. Again, I'll be using my Oat and Aloe shampoo bar, following up with my deep conditioner, and then using my leave-in conditioner, my Hibiscus and Chebe moisturizing styler, and then again refreshing midweek. Again, if you're new to this, you might want to refresh 2 to 3 times during the week if your hair continues to remain dry. So the week of September 17th, I'll be focusing on preventing hair loss for myself, and this week I'll probably use my Hibiscus, Moringa, and Amla gloss bar, or just my Moringa Amla gloss bar, whichever one I pick up at the moment. Again, I'll be using that as a pre-poo treatment. I'll be doing that for a minimum of 1 hour using some type of heat or steam. I'll then rinse that out, shampoo and deep condition with my Oat and Aloe shampoo bar and deep conditioner, followed up again with my Oat and Aloe leave-in conditioner and Hibiscus and Chebe moisturizing styler. Now this week I might also incorporate some type of oil or butter on my ends. As y'all know, I live in the East Coast, and for me, this is generally the time the weather starts to act a little bit colder and my hair can maybe be a little bit different. So if this week, if the temperature has dropped, I will be incorporating a butter to seal or lock in that moisture. Alternatively, you can use a gel or you can use an oil. So the week of September 24th is focusing on strengthening treatments, and this means I'm going to be doing my protein treatment this week. I will actually be using my Oat and Aloe strengthening strengthening hair mask. So I'll actually just pre-poo my hair like I normally would to finger detangle, remove shed hair, and then shampoo, and then this time follow up with the Oat and Aloe strengthening hair mask. I may add in some additional proteins on the side. Just being honest, I'm experimenting as well with a stronger protein treatment. I'm trying to remove from just using Apogee as the strongest one that I currently use. Also making a stronger one for my hair. I will leave that strengthening hair mask on for at least 1 hour. I will definitely use heat with this. This is not optional for me because the amino acids and proteins bind to your hair shaft better with a little bit of heat. So I'll be doing that, and then I will follow up again with either my Oat and Aloe or hibiscus leave-in and my Hibiscus and Chebe moisturizing styler. This week, by this time, I will definitely probably be incorporating some type of oil, more than likely my stimulating Ayurvedic oil on my ends, or using my Chebe butter at the ends of my hair and down the length of my hair, as the weather will probably be on the cooler side. Now, beginning the week into October 1st, I like to do a nice reset. We're in the last quarter of the year, so that means I will be doing a bentonite clay mask or a rasul clay mask. I have a ton of recipes I'll put on the screen and link in the videos down below. I'll probably do a mix of something, give my hair a nice reset. If I need a shampoo afterwards, I will also shampoo. I don't always shampoo, but just depending on my hair and what I feel like I need at the time. I will then also follow up with my Oat and Aloe deep conditioner. Again, sit with that for at least 45 minutes to an hour. I'll probably increase that as the winter goes along because y'all know it can be very cold and very dry here because usually the heat goes on and it really can do some damage to my fine strands. This week I will also be following up with an oil and butter. I will probably also at this point start to oil my scalp right after wash day and include some type of butter afterwards. I'll be generally doing a midweek refresh with my Oat and Aloe leave-in conditioner. So October 8th we'll be back to our original or traditional regular wash day. Now this week, you guys, I will be doing a trim this week. And for me, y'all, I try to trim quarterly. So that means I probably will put my hair in some type of protective style like 2-strand twist this week so that way I can give myself a nice trim. If not, I will try to stretch my hair in some other type of way, either by banding or lightly blowing it out using cool heat and then giving myself a trim on my hair afterwards. Next up is the week of October 15th, and this week is all about strengthening treatments, and this is generally when I do my henna treatment. Again, I separate my protein and my henna 3 weeks apart and continue to alternate. Now I will use my shampoo bar followed up with my henna treatment, and I will be using like my henna gloss bar and possibly incorporating some more henna because y'all, I have very stubborn grays lately. Using also some type of Amla or cassia to give me some more warmer and browner tones. Again, I won't deep condition after that treatment because, as you know, you want at least 2 to 3 days for the henna to set and really bind to the keratin in your hair. But I will use my Hibiscus and Chebe styler really just to put my hair into probably like a low bun until I can go in and really deep condition it. So that means on Wednesday, I'll go ahead and soak my hair in a lot of warm water to help finger detangle. I will put my Oat and Aloe deep conditioner on it, and then I'll deep condition for at least 1 to 2 hours, y'all. Really try to get that hydration and moisture level back into my hair, and I'll follow up with my Oat and Aloe leave-in conditioner and then my Hibiscus and Chebe moisturizing styler. And again, that Sunday will just be a regular wash day. Now I will say this, because I will have already conditioned my hair midweek, I may opt for just a co-wash during the week just to make sure that my hair gets nice and hydrated. And the last week on the schedule would be October 29th, and this week again would be a gloss type week. I'll use probably my Slippery Elm Amla and Aloe gloss bar. I will probably use that as a final treatment, so I would start with my Oat and Aloe shampoo bar, cleanse my hair, and then follow up with a gloss bar to give me some like moisture and good hydration to it. And if I need to, I will also follow up with my deep conditioner, or maybe I will add some of my deep conditioner to the Slippery Elm gloss bar to get a combination of those benefits. Again, I'll use that for at least 1 hour with steam, and then I'd follow up with my Oat and Aloe leave-in conditioner and my Hibiscus and Chebe styler and some type of oil or butter of my choice. So I'll continue alternating the weeks using that schedule between gloss and mask, focusing between strength, moisture, protein, hair loss, and hair growth, and then using a butter until the end of the year. I mainly only use butters again in the winter time, as my fine strands need any additional help. You may also opt to seal your hair with any heavier oils, or gels that create a hard cast. And I recommend, again, trimming your hair every 12 to 14 weeks, depending on your lifestyle, how much you use heat, if you use tools, or you notice that your hair has a lot of wear and tear and split ends. All right, you guys, let me know your schedules down below. Is it similar to my schedule? Anything you would add, or maybe anything you would take away? If you want to see some easy DIY mask recipes, check out the links on the screen. But that's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye.